sinabi ko fear, alam po naman natin yan, that success is always outside of your comfort zone. Accept it or not, believe it or not, whether you like what I'm about to say or not, kung magkano man po ang sources, ang income po ninyo, that is only because of where you are right now. It's like the kind of things that you do. If you want to change your situation, you have to accept that you have to get out of your comfort zone. So that's number one. Okay? There is no other way. Success is always outside of your comfort zone. Because kung ang success ay nasa comfort zone mo, then successful ka na dapat. Malamang-lamang wala ka sa rito. So that's the thing, number one. Number two, like in anything, remember when you were 5 years old, is what I love because I have 3 little boys, or even 6 years old. You don't even know how to tie your shoes. Hindi mo kayang isintas ang sapatos mo. So but what did you do? Did you give up? Right? Yung first year mo pa lang, first year old ka, 1 year old ka, well, maybe you don't remember, pero yung may mga magulang dyan, alam niyo yan, the first year, our child start to learn how to walk. Yung bata ba, nung tumayo, yung first time yan tumayo, alam po niyo yung first time na gumapang muna? Right? Naalala po ba ninyo, yung may mga anak dyan, ano po yung first step? Napansin ko yung anak ko po, they crawl just, I don't know how they do it, but it's like with their tummy or with their body. And then they start to crawl with their hands and feet. And then after that, ano po nangyayari na? Tumatayo na ba agad sila, naglalakad? Pagkatapos nilang gumapang, ano po yung next step? Umahawak muna sila sa pader and then gumagapang. Right? And then, let's say nasa wall sila, and then nakita na yung couch or upuan, susubukang hindi humawak. That's how they do it. Now, let me ask you, if you and I say decided, unang tayo ko pa lang bumagsak na ako nasugatan pa nga yung tuhod ko or nauntog pa ako, and then you gave up, then malamang hindi po tayo naglalakad ngayon lahat. But what did we do? We didn't give up. We just keep pushing and pushing. And the same thing with speaking in camera, same thing with speaking in public. It is the same thing. You take one step at a time. Sir John, natatakot po ko. Normal yun. Bago ka You're afraid, but you do it anyways. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.